Good morning, everybody. ASST to the moon and back. Let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, everybody. Lizzie, good morning. Let's go. Creative Club. Everybody excited for SMCI DT 900. Welcome, brother. Brenda, good morning. Alexander, okay, of course, I will explain SMCI in a bit. Amis, good morning. Santiago. Xander just came up to the chat. Good morning, man. Let's get right to it. Yeah, so today we're gonna have a huge day, guys. But we're watching first ASST that we discussed early in our Discord, guys. We discussed ASST today before the market opened on our Discord. Doing all right now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How everybody doing? Yesterday we get a nice trade for our hunters. One of them was SYTA. We suggest for entry around the $7.33, and we hit our profit taking yesterday, guys. We did two unicorn. If you don't see, we already did two unicorn hunt for yesterday for our hunters on our Discord, and the one that did really great was for SYTA after we broke the resistance. We did another swing trade yesterday for our hunters for keys, KYS, KEYS. Had earnings yesterday, so it did really great. And of course, we always do updates on our hunter channel and Discord. Before the market open, if you want to join, guys, you can join on our pitch first, pick those levels in order to have access to our Discord. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join. In the meantime, let's get right to it, guys. I will put the link just in case before I forget. And the market is about to open, guys. We've got a few stocks. SMCI has some news, started to reverse. We've got ASST jumping currently in the pre-market. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way and show some support. And ASST rolling, ASST going up crazy. 14%, guys. We have a nice entry for ASST in pre-market. I think it's better to take profit right now before the market open because we anticipate a little pullback around the 1116. Now is around the 1090. We got EDBL the same, looking great. This one keys we already traded yesterday, 5% in the pre-market, guys. As you can see here, in the pre-market is 5%. And now doing all right. We got Wix earnings. Pre-market is pulling back down. Target is going down 6% because of earnings. And SMCI going up from the support because we got some news, I think, here. Supermicro has lowered its sales forecast for the fiscal year between 21 billion and 22 billion. And we got here Supermicro eyes US expansion to meet soaring AI demand. Yeah, we got some good news right now, guys, for SMCI. But guys, still we need to break the 46 for today. Holding over this support was fantastic. Yeah, holding over this support was pretty fantastic for SMCI. Today we'll see if we're gonna continue this jump. Tesla still in little green, Hood the same, coin, APLD, microfast. So today is the day, guys, to confirm if the market is strong or not. The SPY is pulling back a bit down. So ASST, it is the one to watch before the market open, is pulling back a bit right now because yes, we got near the resistance. So expect a bit of pullback for ASST before the market open, guys. And this is normal. I think expect a little pullback now before the market open. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. We have 15 minutes left at the market open. 15 minutes left. Or yeah, 15. Prophet, how you doing, man? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, wherever you are. Welcome, everybody, to Wednesday session. Wednesday session is about to get started. Let's double check if we got something here. ADBL, BDSX, GNLN, GNLN, GNLN. Okay, this one just came right now, guys. But is heavily shorted in the big picture. That's why I got shorted just below the resistance around 0.13. Yeah, it's pulling back. I'm gonna put it here just in case. ASST, guys, looking interesting here. Yeah, it's got near a resistance now. The breakout happened here. We discussed it early on our Discord, guys, here, the $8. And now we've got a bit of struggle to go higher. So I think it's better to take a profit here before the pullback. ADBL is pulled back a lot. ADBL, guys, warning, we have a flush here before the market opens. So the resistance is around the 680. We got a huge flush for ADBL, so be careful, guys. ADBL is dangerous right now. I don't like it. uh, Keys is pulling back, of course, before the market open. We got earnings for keys, and now it's pulling back. We got a seller around the 172. Hopefully it doesn't go back in red before the market open. WEX is pulling back. Target is pulling back. And SMCI pushing back up a little bit. Okay, we got big seller guys for the market. That's why everything's pulling back, even for ASST. We got a huge seller right now for the market. ADBL flushed BDSX. Yeah, we got huge seller. So the main one, guys, for today is ASST. SMCI 1%. Not bad. However, I'm not convinced yet, guys, for SMCI. I'm not completely convinced. Okay, let me bring SMCI here and the other one that we did yesterday, keys. IGMK is now is breaking. IGMK. Wrong ticker, man. Wrong ticker. IGMK doesn't exist. LGMK. Guys, please, if you want to put a ticker symbol, make it in capital words. LGMK, nothing, man. Doesn't break anything. Yeah, we got ASST, SMCI. What's going on with the market, man? Why everything's going down? We got some news. I think it hit the market. Everything's pulling down right now. We have a bit of weakness. Can feel the weakness, but doesn't matter because the market once open, we're gonna confirm this weakness. If we continue this pullback right after the market open is me, we're gonna have a huge red day. For now, no, nothing much happening. We have to wait. Volume is kind of dead for keys right now. We have another pullback. Let's see how much we could pull. Yeah, I'm gonna give it around the 165.23, guys. If we don't hold for today, we're gonna have a huge red day. Otherwise, we're gonna have a reversal of 2 or 4%. Anyway, good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way and don't forget, don't ever forget. ADBL is flashing. Not yet. We have a support to hold right now over the 418. VTIX, everybody is not on our list for now for a reason. I took it from the list. VTIX. Don't like it. Oh God, China war again? China crying about Golden Dome. What does this mean? US prepares for long war with China that might hit its bases, homeland. Oh God. I think this bad news will be confirmed right at the market open, guys. If we have a huge flush, is mean the market maker dumping the market. Yeah, watch out, guys. The market is crazy now. The market is crazy. The confirmation for this news, guys, right at the market open. Keys is going down like crazy. I think some people just taking profit on this one. I don't like this flush before the market open, man. Yeah, the market is flushing, guys. There's something going on here, man. SMCI is going up, but really unusual. Oh, God. Really hate this kind of reaction. Anyway, so let's get right to it, guys. The market is about to open right now. So disclaimer, guys, before the market open, remember our live stream is a bit delayed. We're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day, guys, 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. Last time we did update was yesterday for SYTA before the breakout from the 733. The target was around the $9. It was really great profit from yesterday. Those updates we always do daily, guys, on our Discord and Patreon. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join. For now, we've got 1 minute left at the market open. So, guys, let's get right to it. Hit the like button on the way in and let us start today market. SMCI doing all right. Yeah, even keys, guys. We might have a reversal right now and jump at the market open. Expect a huge jump for keys toward the 172 at least. We got the strong support for keys, guys, over the 165 because of good earnings yesterday. I hope that we have a huge jump for it at the market open. SMCI jumping as well, guys. 2% right now. ASST pulling back. 18 seconds. Let's get right to it. I expect this one to have a huge, humongous jump. Let's go. Still waiting for this one to move. SMCI is moving 2%. Keys. Come on, we need the jump up, man. Yes, sir. Let's go, keys. 172. Yes, 173. SMCI, nothing. ASST, nothing. Guys, I think I'm gonna take a bit of profit from this trade from yesterday here. We got a really good entry yesterday for this one. Keys, I'm gonna take a bit of profit here. Nice hunt, guys, for keys. Keys 6% right now. Yeah, nice. We expect going toward the 176, maybe. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna put trailing stop for this one. Yeah, the volume is really light on keys, guys. But if we broke the 173, I expect a jump toward the 176. SMCI, nothing much, guys. 1%. ASST pulled back from the $10. ADBL still holding. ADBL, this one, nope. TMC started to jump really nicely. Is going toward this resistance. CEB, not my cup of tea for today. We got SYTA, not for today. Keys is still trying to break here, guys. Yeah, we might have a breakout here. If we're gonna get a nice jump for it for today. I don't know why my alert doesn't. Let us see the market as a whole. SMCI, Tesla, Coinbase, the SPY, nothing much. Elite, Keys, yeah, Keys trying here. Wix, guys, is still jumping down. I think we're getting near a nice bottom for Wix. Target, the same, is getting near a nice bottom. Keys, I'm expecting a nice jump for keys right now because we are technically squeezing up, guys. If you're wondering, we did the update for keys yesterday around here for entry before the earnings, once the price was around the 163. Great hunt, everybody. HIMS, I will check it right now. HIMS. HIMS 62, brother, or around 63.53 is the current resistance and profit taken. After that, 64.80 and the 66. Current support, my brother, is the 57, and the bottom it is around the 53.99. Keys is going to Falahala. ASST holding the support, guys, the $9. SMCI 2%. ADBL, nothing. This one, BDSX, I don't like it for now. GNLN, I don't like it. TMC is really good for today, guys. TMC is pretty good. We already did chart analysis update for our hunters yesterday as well for TMC. We said the resistance profit taking is around the 523, support is $4. So yeah, TMC doing fantastically good. And keys is jumping as well slowly, guys, toward the 176, my top target. So today play our TMC to break this resistance here around the 480. We got keys to go toward the 176. We got SMCI 2%, but still not ready yet. We need to break this 46. But good reversal, guys, for SMCI here. Pretty nice reversal, for my opinion. ASST is pulling back a lot, so it's time for a pullback. Keys is pulling back as well a bit. Let's see if we hold or we're gonna flush. Let's see. I'm gonna put alert here. SMCI is moving, guys. SMCI, we have unusual movement. Okay, why the big beautiful tax bill is worrying bond investors? Tax cuts pushed by President are amplifying debt and deficit concern among the profit market player who influence interest. Interesting. Interesting. SMCI doing great, guys, for today. The same for ASST. TMC found a resistance right now around $4.80. But yeah, it did really great for a jump here from this reversal zone. Fantastic reversal for TMC. ADBL the same, it might jump right now. SMCI is moving, ASST is moving as well. Interesting. Okay, we got the resistance right now for SMCI, guys. We might pull back from around the 44.30. This is the first one. Keys. It need to hold here, guys, the 173 to go up. If we held, we're gonna go toward the 176. But the trick is for keys is really light on volume. This is the trick. Hmm. Anyway. Wow, BTBI game over, 40% flush. If you don't know what's flush mean, guys, this is the best example for you guys. Look at that. Jumped from the 15 cent until the 5 cent. We have another flush SYTA going down toward support. This one flushed yesterday from the 2 toward from the 3 to the $2. Click doing all right now. That KN is not good. The KIN. Anyhow, anywho, so this one is not good. Are we gonna keep the good? SMCI doing fantastic right now. Yeah, Wix, it could be good for reversal now. Yeah, it could be really good for reversal. Wix. Yeah, SMCI guys getting near a new resistance around the 44.30. We got a nice reversal from the bottom here. We did 4%. Not bad for a reversal for today. But we've got a resistance that we should clear for today to go higher. We're still technically inside this channel, which is still bullish. Last time we update you guys about this reversal over the 41. And now it's pulling back a bit. SYTA is flushing down officially. This one was really good yesterday to take profit around the 9. For now is going down, guys. Going down big time. It could be good for a dip later. AMST reversal to the 277. Okay, let's see. Click, nothing much happening here. TNXB doing all right, 4%. ASST is didn't break the resistance, the $10.90. See, guys, we retested. SMCI pulling back from the 44. TMC pulling back from the 480. Let us check the stock that got halted. The hell is that? Current halt. SYTA is halted. Wolf is halted. Let's check Wolf. Okay, Wolf got flushed, guys. Not good. SYTA is flashing down and halted down around the $5. EDBL got halted and unhalted. Right now is about to break the resistance around the 670. Good afternoon, John. The BTBI will be delisted. Yeah, well, exactly. ADBL have a reverse split coming. When? Let's see. When the reverse split will happen. Last time we have reverse split was in March 1 to 25. Are you kidding me? We have another reverse split is coming. This is crazy. John, the top unicorn for today is ASST, which already hit our target profit around the 1090. Now the support is around the 9, then the 8. SMCI is about to break the current resistance, so it could be good for a hunt for today if we broke the 44.32. TMC, this is one is good if we held the support over the 440 and the $4 to break the 480 and go 530. ADBL, the 680 to go toward the 790 and $10 and hold over the 418. SYTA to reverse from the current support bottom. We might have a reversal from the 479. And after that, the $3.80. So there's a chance for a reversal. Current resistance, the 680. And finally, CEB. We got the resistance around the 50 and the profit 57, current support 41. Those the top unicorn guys for today. Let's see what's going on. This is the reason the market is down. This is the reason the market is down. Yes, tax cut push by President Trump are amplifying debt and deficit concern about powerful market players who influence interest rate. Yo, but SMCI doesn't care. It jumped because we got a nice news for super microcomputer weight adding to US manufacturing footprint. The stock surge. We got supermarket hinted it was planning to expand its domestic like operation as President Donald Trump pushes to return production to US. Interesting. So SMCI is fueling up because of this news. SYTA is still halted down. CEB, it might get halted up, guys, because it's getting near a breakout. ASST broke the support, the first one. SMCI is pushing up. Yeah, SMCI could be good for today. SMCI testing the resistance right now, guys. We got a test for the resistance for SMCI. If we push back down, I will watch for this support for SMCI for the 43. Let's see if we pull back 2%. Not bad. SMCI testing the resistance 44.32. ASST flushing down. Be careful. TMC is strong. EDBL strong. SYTA testing the support, got unhalted, guys. We might have a reversal here, guys, for SYTA, so watch out for a reversal now from the 477. If we don't hold, this means we flush down more. And CEB, so this CEB is strong, EDBL and TMC. ASST is halted down. SMCI is pulling back down, guys, right from the resistance, 44.32. If we broke this resistance, we might have a little push to do another maybe 4%. Now it's 2%. The whole market is in green, even though with this kind of news, doesn't matter, the market is going up. CRWV, I will check it. Mara 1668 is the resistance. We don't clear it yet. CRWV. What the hell? CRWV. Yeah, it is doing all right. It's going toward the $100 or just the $99. It's too risky, brother, right now. It's too risky for this one. We have a lot of FOMO. However, if you want to buy it, watch out for the dip instead. Around first, we got a nice support here. First, watch out for this support over the 74. If we broke that support, of course, around the 82 and the 60. So if we push down, I watch for 82, 74, and the 60. I will watch for the dip instead for CRWV because now it's too dangerous. Okay, the market is pushing down, guys, right now. SYTA broke the support again. So I'm watching for the other support around the 373 or 3.24. Yes, this is the strongest support. Okay. SMCI, let's go back to SMCI. SMCI 44.32, guys. Watch out for SMCI, guys. It's about to do something drastic. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. Today is the day. SMCI doing fantastically good. And need to break the 44, guys. 44.33. 44.33 will be Armageddon for the short seller. 44.33 will be Armageddon. All hell will break loose if we broke this level. The moment of the truth. GPUS. Holy baloney. Holy baloney. is halted up. Let's see. GPUS is halted up. Wolf is halted down, I think. Holy baloney. Yes, we got a target for GPUS around the 746. Holy baloney. This one would be crazy. Anyway, we got the support for it here. We have a pullback and there. Okay, TMC pulling back, EDBL pulling back, CEP is about to break here, SMCI is pulling back, ASST pulling back for the second support, and SYTA have a little reversal. I'm gonna put a resistant just there around the 560. See guys, we have to update the level second by second because every level we break, we change the chart. That's why we always do update here on our Discord, guys. Yesterday we did the really good trade for SYTA before the breakout and TMC before the breakout for today. And yesterday we did the swing trade before 15 minutes before the market close for KEYS. We took 6% on this trade after the market opened because we got earnings. So if you missed this trade yesterday, make sure either to upgrade to the king or the elite level, or if you're already king or elite, make sure always to check the swing trade alert or channel on Discord and Bitcoin in order to be notified, because this play we found it before the market close. I was searching, guys, and I didn't find any good play yesterday except for this one, which had the really good earnings. So great hunt, everybody. GPUS is still halted, and I think now is unhalted. Let's check Wolf if doing all right. Yeah, Wolf is done. Game over. 70% down. SMCI, guys, is going down, of course, because the 4433 is the confirmed resistant. We didn't break it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna put alert just in case if we broke it later. Alligator for entry here. If we broke it, I might enter. Otherwise, I would be on the sideline. ADBL looking great. TMC not that great because pullback. The only one is halted right now is GPUS and Wolf. Wolf is halted down. GPUS is halted up. What a crazy day, guys. What a crazy day. Let's check the market again here. Tesla, Hood. We have undecided market, guys. It's not too much green, and all of them are pulling back. The market is pulling back now. You see, we got a pullback for the market. I'm gonna put alert for the pullback because if we broke the current level here would be warning sign for me for SMCI around the 42. Yes, so far so good. We got a nice little reversal, but we might have a bull trap, guys, here just right there around the 44.33. Might be a bull trap for SMCI. That's why we were waiting. You see, now we pulling back. The market, the whole market is pulling back now. It's going on the red side. Wix, what a nice reversal we got for Wix. Yeah, Wix started to reverse from the bottom. For Target, I don't like it that much. Walmart is still in the sideways trading. Cisco the same, DKNG the same, CVNA the same. You are welcome, eat rice. Let's go back to the main list. Yes, SMCI is pulling back, guys, right around our resistance. If you don't see it, here it is. around 44.33. TMC GPUS is going to Valhalla, guys. Now is unhalted and going toward the profit taking. My ultimate target, the 820. I expect a pullback, huge pullback here, guys. It is too much for GPUS. I expect a pullback now. Realistically, we got to go down. Look at that. SMCI is pulling back as well. What a day, man. What a day. We have a roller coaster ride for today. A roller coaster ride. GPUS danger zone. Exactly that. KDLY. KD. KDLY. KDLY, yes, hit resistant around the 2144, so too risky as well around this level. It might go toward the 2535 and the 3163. However, it need to hold the current support over the $15 and the bottom over the $10. KDLY around the 24%. Interesting play. Yeah, interesting play for this one, guys. The breakout, I think it happened right on the market open. Yeah, the technical looking beautiful for KDLY. Thank you, man. Thank you, Jean, for bringing this to us. Look really fantastic for later hunts. So I'm gonna keep it here with GPUS, which right now pulled back right just below our resistance, the $8. Perfect pullback. Let's check the other rest. Nothing here to watch. Wow, this one is about to squeeze big time. It's pulled back a lot and it's been a while. Last time it jumped. DEVS. Have my eyes on it, so I'm gonna keep it on the list. Click is about to click. Is about to click. Yeah, click looking interesting for a squeeze up with TNXP. GameStop is moving, guys. GameStop is moving. Yeah, SYTA start to reverse. Yeah, the reversal happened on unusual place. I expect a pullback pretty soon here. What a day. What a day we've got. GPUS, man, it was really quick. It's high on cocaine, this one. Jumped like there's no tomorrow. At the market open, we've got a big buyer right there, guys. Huge buyer. And we went from the 5 until almost the 10, double the price. This is madness. And now it's testing the resistance again for another squeeze. So the strongest one, guys, for my opinion right now is GPUS, but I don't like it because it's moved a lot fast and the support is a bit far. So have to let it go. It is too pretty. It's too attractive, but sometimes, guys, you have to let things go like this, even though it's look really attractive. Can you check RILY? Ahmed ask, how you doing, Ahmed? RILY. RI, not double L, but just LY. Riley, B. Riley Financial. No good, man. No good for me. Not good at all. Stay away from it. Stay away from Riley. I don't like it below the $3.84. Yeah, last time squeezed back here, it was, I think, in May, 21st of May, or, oh, I think today, yeah, today in a pre-market, it pumped and dumped. So I'm gonna pass on this one, but watch out for the bottom around the 3.27. We need to hold this bottom, break the 380 to go toward the 4 and the 5, but I don't like it that much. Jumped down from the 30%, now just 6%, I think. Okay, so now we got KDLY to break the 2144. GPUS is breaking, and we might get halted again. This is madness, man. This is really madness. So we have another support now around the 730, targets 975. Ultimate target for GPUS. SMCI, no good now. It's pulling back from the 44. So long in the big picture, not bad for SMCI because it's about to push back up from this nice bottom. So for today, we need to hold over the 42 to confirm a reversal. If we didn't, we're gonna have a different scenario, which is flushing down toward the 41. Now it's pulling back toward the bottom again. Yeah, OX is starting to reverse here. Okay, what's going on with Wix, guys? Wix have a channel here. We might have a nice reversal for it if we're lucky here, but we don't have to depend on luck here. You have to be strategic with this play because it pulled back almost 10%. Yeah, either we're gonna break this wedge from above and go toward the 186, or break it and go down. If we went down, expect another 5% at least. If we held, we're gonna have a nice jump right now, another 3%. And the ultimate target is 7%. For now, we got a little support, guys, for Wix is over the 160. So we could risk 1% to get 3%. Not bad. SMCI going toward the dip, 42. We got a pullback for the market. KDLY still nothing. GPUS is going toward the ultimate target, the 975. TMC nothing. This one. So GPUS is the strongest, guys, for today. SYTA started to reverse nicely. Click is a bit slow for me here to put it on the main list. The same for TNXP. So yeah, GPUS I think is halted again, guys. GPUS is halted. We halted once, twice, and the how many times? 2 times. Okay, not bad. Profit, nice. Always finish early. Great, man. Let's get it for tomorrow, man. Take a rest, profit. Always taking profit and go to sleep. That's the discipline that we want. Everybody say check GPUS. GPUS is still voted, guys. We got ultimate target around the 975 or below the $10. Expect a huge pullback after that, guys. So it's a bit near the danger zone. And ASST is near the support, which is the 8. So now it need to break this current resistance around the 929 to go up. Otherwise, we're gonna go down for ASST. Yeah, ASST looking all right as well. SYTA is getting near a major resistance zone right now around the 565. TNXB going slow and steady toward the 34. GPUS $9, 95% up. Not completely bad. The market is still undecided, guys. Not in green, not in red. Aman just got connected. The good trade that you missed, brother, was GBUS, but we don't trade it because it went really fast. from the $5 until the $10, did 100% just at the market open. We got TMC hit our targets and pulled back. We got SMCI. We suggest to take profit around the 44.33 before the pullback. ASST, of course, hit our target at 10 and pulled back. So the best trade that you missed, brother, is ASST, from my opinion. It was really great for today. But now, as we said, for ASST, we have the 929 to break to go toward, again, the 10 and the 13. Otherwise, I will wait for the dip. First dip is around the 8 and then the 6 and the 5. 630 and 530. GameStop is fueling up. It might go toward the $30 breakout zone. Yeah, we got a lot for today. Really active market. And then really active market for today. You see, guys, I think we're gonna get halted down right now for GPUS because we hit the 945, almost the $10. WEX is pulling back. Be careful, guys. WEX, if it's break the 160, it could be nice to watch for the second dip because currently we reversed 4% from this dip. If you don't know, WEX have earnings today in pre-market. The earnings weren't that good. That's why it pulled back 10%. SYTA, what a crazy reversal, man. I didn't expect this reversal to happen that quick. This is crazy good. SYTA reverse from the 440, now is almost around the 6. We did 30% reversal. Again, guys, this is unusual. It's like seeing flying monkeys. This is like seeing a unicorn flying without taking drugs, of course. DJT is a bit slow, man. Yeah, it's really slow. However, in big picture, currently good because it is getting near the resistance, the 27-24, and did a really good reversal, almost 80% in a few weeks, from the 15 until almost the 30, so we almost double. Not bad for DJT. However, today, no attraction, no news. That's why it's light on volume, just 300K. So it's not worth watching for now. As a reminder, guys, this Friday will not be live, okay? I will be on my holidays because Monday the market will be closed. So just as a reminder, next Friday, guys, we are not gonna go live just this Friday. And come back on maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday next week. So we're gonna have a long weekend, long holidays, taking time off for the next week. So if you live in Europe, I will give you a reminder because if you live in Europe, maybe you don't know, because in the United States, I think we've got Memorial Day. Yes, Memorial Day. It is just in the United States because if we go here in European market and go to Frankfurt and go here, we don't have holidays in Frankfurt or European market. If we go even in England, I think we don't have one. London Stock Exchange. Aha, bank holidays. So even in England, the market will be closed. So this is good because if you live in London, and we have a lot of traders in London, you know that the market will be closed on Monday. So happy Memorial Day in advance to all our fellow Americans. And as we said, guys, Friday we have to take time off. Come back next week on Tuesday or Wednesday. For now, guys, we gonna wrap up our live streaming. We're gonna discuss the market later on our Discord. E-tries the next resistance, CRWV to the moon, man. If it broke the 100, it will be a bit risky to trade. The best play is to wait for the dip because now we don't have clear resistance for it. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you all by tomorrow to discuss the market. Watch out for SMCI resistant today around the 44.33. I just put alert resistant. If we broke this level, I will be ready for a trade. Otherwise, we're going to pull back. In the meantime, stay blessed and see you all by tomorrow. 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, the market is still on and it's still open. So all the hunt, the update will be updated here on our hunter channel on Discord. As we did for yesterday, hunt SYTA before the flush, we suggest to take profit around the 9. So if you want to have those updated levels, the link in comment section below and in the live chat section to our Patreon and Discord. First, you have to sign up, guys. Don't forget, you have to sign up to our Patreon on the King or the Elite because the Discipline Hunt already sold out in order to have access to our Discord. Because if you just follow me on Patreon, you don't have access to exclusive content. You just be following me without having access to the live streaming, chart alert, etc. So always make sure to sign up. And of course, if you can't know or if you don't have access to our Discord, let me know. So I'll send you an invite link to our Discord once you sign up to our Patreon. In the meantime, stay plus. Don't ever overtrade. Let the price come to you and never run after the price. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you all by tomorrow, everybody.